9 absurd things that happen to your body right after you have sex. Many of us see sex as good and will like to believe that everything about it is wonderful, but it just simply does not work that way. Yes, sex can be weird and weird stuff happens when you have sex. You may feel a bit strange after or see strange physical reactions. You may even feel some burning or pain. According to the American College of Gynecologists and Obstetricians, as many as 75% of women will experience painful sex at some point in their lives. In this video, we have attempted to list some of the reactions that the body has when you have sex. 1. Profurious sweating. A cardiovascular surgeon, David Gruner of NYC Surgical Associates, say that just like all forms of exercises, sex causes an increase in the body's temperature and the heart slows down after sex and delivers less blood to the skin. The heat that accumulates in the muscles will cause blood temperature to rise, hence why people sweat after a vigorous sex session. 2. Heart rate increases. Sex is considered a great workout as each orgasm is equivalent to approximately 1 mile of cardio. Anything that raises your heart rate counts as cardio. You receive cardio benefits like your heart pumping harder and longer based on how energetic you are during your sex session. It is advisable to drink water after sex to help you cool down and hydrate after sex. 3. Lingering pelvic pain. Women who have had children are likely to have feelings of pelvic pain and pressure after intercourse because of a condition called pelvic congestion syndrome. The pain is particularly on the left side, and most common with deeper vaginal penetration. While not a dangerous condition, you may want to have it checked out if the pain inhibits your pleasure. 4. Bleeding. The inflammation of the cervix may lead to a little bleeding after sex. Rough sex can lead to vaginal tearing, which again can lead to some spotting later. In some rare cases, if the blood is darker in color, it could be some old menstrual blood coming out from the uterus. If you bleed often after sex, you should see a doctor as it could be a variety of pelvic conditions. 5. Burning sensation. If you feel a burning sensation after sex, it could be because your vagina is inflamed. The reason this may happen is that there could be some engorgement of vaginal tissues, and since the urethra is so closely situated to the vagina, that can cause temporary burning or sting with urinating after sex. However, if you are concerned about a STI or the sensation doesn't fade away, you should consider seeing a doctor. 6. Vaginal secretions increase. After having sex, excessive vaginal secretion is normal. For older women after menopause, due to estrogen reduction in the body, her vaginal secretion becomes less, causing dryness and vaginal atrophy, shrinkage. 7. Itching. If you find yourself having an annoying scratch after sex, you may have reacted to a gel, lubrication or condom. If it persists, seek medical help. 8. Cramps. Painful sex doesn't happen often, but sometimes it does. This is sometimes just cramping from uterine contractions related to your orgasm and is nothing to worry about. 9. Urinary tract infection. 1 in 5 women will experience a urinary tract infection in her lifetime, and it's easy to see why. Sex is the leading cause of UTI. The act of having sex can transfer bacteria from the bowel to the vaginal cavity and up to the urethra, yes, yuck, causing that itchy, burning, painful infection. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.